So today we're going to talk about building an email list even if you don't have your own website. And we're going to be doing this with the leadslide.com marketing platform, and we're going to show you how to do it. And today we're going to pretend we're a restaurant owner and we want to collect emails. Maybe we have a Facebook page and we want to send our Facebook group to a landing page that offers some kind of a deal. In this case, we're going to make a landing page that shows 50% off burgers on Fridays. So we're going to choose a template here. This one we're just going to choose the first one, which is a coffee discount, one that we're going to change for this purpose for 50% off burgers on Fridays. Okay, so we have the basic template up here, and we want to make this super simple. And we're going to try this AI part here, and we're going to see, let's give it a reason. Okay, 50% off burgers on Friday. And we'll help it, write the headline to get people to sign up. I mean, 50% off burgers on Fridays is a pretty good reason anyway, but it's sometimes nice to have it written a little bit better. Okay, so here's what it says. Friday Burger Special. Enjoy 50% off on all burgers every Friday at our restaurant. Okay, so if you sign up, you can get a special coupon. So I'm going to change this word because I don't think that sounds very good. Okay, so I'm just going to put sign up. Okay, so now this is our special burger 50% off deal. And right now this still has a coffee picture in the background, so we want some kind of burger, I think. Now, if I had a restaurant, I probably would have pictures of a burger, but in this case I don't, so I'm going to go to unsplash.com. And I've already loaded up this burger picture, which is free, and we're going to embed it in our landing page. So we'll go back over here. We'll go to Edit. We'll go to My Images, and I've already uploaded the burger picture here, so we're going to get that in a second. So I'll choose this one, choose Save, and now our burger deal is almost ready to go. So this is just like your landing page, and it will create a link to your special discount that you can share on Facebook or wherever else you want to share this link with to anybody that has been to your restaurant, presumably, or you could even give them a link when they're at your restaurant if they want to sign up to your email list. Okay, so this template also has other stuff, but I mean the main deal is there. I think that's enough information. So the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to delete all these blocks at the moment because I don't think we need them. Delete. Of course, I could put more information in, but I think a 50% off burger deal is pretty obvious on Fridays, so I don't think I need more information. So we're just going to delete these. Okay, so now we basically just have this deal. And now we're going to save it and go next. And we're going to call it 50% off burgers. Okay, and now we're going to go next. So this campaign is going to be saved. So if you click on that button, it's going to go to this pop-up so the customer can put in their email address and get the coupon. And so we may as well use the same picture we used before. Okay, so here's a picture of the burger. We're just going to say burger deal sign up and get 50% off burgers on Fridays. And that's enough information. I think for now, we'll go next. And then it's going to come to an email that they can get their discount coupon code for signing up. And now you're going to have their email address after that you can send them other promotions in the future. And that's really why you want to build your email list, even if you have a restaurant or something like this, because you can send people locally emails and keep building that list. So it'll be easier to get people to your restaurant, especially on slow days if you want to send them a deal. I mean, I certainly love going in for a burger on Fridays for 50% off. And again, let's make this super simple. We'll delete this. We'll delete this. Burger Fridays. Delete. Here is your discount code below for 50% off burgers on Friday. Coupon code. Okay, so we already made this whole funnel. So it has a landing page with your offer. It has an email subscription form and then an email that it will send to the people that subscribe to your list through your Facebook page or however you sent them there, as long as they have the link. And then we're going to save it. Okay, so here it is. It's 50% off burgers. And then if I actually want to publish it, we can publish it directly to LeadSlide without a website. And we got to find the campaign. It's the first one on the list. We'll go next. So we're going to call it 50 Friday. And it's from Bobby's Burgers. That's the restaurant name. And we're going to say Friday Burger Deal. And then we just simply publish the campaign. Okay, so here's the deal that you created. We're just going to go to the link and it's going to open up the deal we just made, which is the Friday discount. And here we go. We are still in beta, so there's a few bugs with the software, but you get the idea. And what you can do now is just try this, see if you can sign up for the deal. So we can go sign up for the deal, 50% off. I'm going to put my name, Addison. We'll go support at leadslide.com, and then we're going to sign up. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, so here is the link. So if you have this link that you created before, which is right here, you just copy and paste it. You can put this right on your Facebook page for your restaurant or whatever other, social media channel you might have to share with your subscribers online. Even if you don't, you can share this with your customers at your restaurant. And this is just an example, obviously a hypothetical, but it gives you an idea about what this software can do, even if you don't have a website or much of an online presence. It still works even when you don't have that much, to start with, and you can start building your email list. And as I said, you can keep building it. You can keep growing your list, emailing more and more customers, and then eventually those Friday nights will be packed. Okay, so let's just see what happened. We'll go to our email box and see if we actually got it. Okay, I just logged into my email and I can see my Bobby's Burgers Friday burger deal is here. So we're going to click on that and then we can see the email that we got here. So here's my coupon code. So I'll just bring this into the restaurant on Fridays, and that's the basic idea of creating a deal even without a website. And then again, if I just want to share the deal, I'm going to just send my customers this link, and it will show up to anybody that wants to go to this website link. So you don't need a website. You can use a link right from leadslide.com. And you may be thinking now, okay, what is leadslide.com? Well, it's a free, well, not free, but it has a free trial. So you can try it for 14 days for free, where you can make these marketing funnels to make deals, even if you don't have a website. So if you do, you can connect these funnels with your website and use them there. But even if you don't need it. So give us a try. Let us know what you think. And feel free to go to leadslide.com. I'll leave all the links in the description, so don't worry about that. And just try it out and let us know what you think.